So my name is Deborah Rogers, and I took possession of my Webb and Brown-Neaves house on October the 3rd of 2019. We had bought a home on this lot that wasn't really meeting our needs. We knew that it was going to be a bit small for a family of 6, but it was in the right area, and we thought that we would probably at some point rebuild on the same lot. So that was, what was it, about 3 or 4 years later that we were seriously thinking about rebuilding on the same lot. And I had done my research and gone around and seen a lot of display homes and decided that Webb and Brown-Neaves were the builder that was giving me what I wanted, and I liked the designs that they had. I just felt that Webb and Brown-Neaves were the right builder for me, and with the information that I gave them, they pretty much designed exactly what I needed. As far as deciding on the style of the home, I don't think it was all that hard for me because I've always loved the Hampton style. So I was hoping for that sort of a finished look. So as far as being able to stay in this neighborhood, it's been wonderful for me because we had lived here, met friends, and it's one of the biggest benefits for me is it's walking distance from my work. And it's just really a nice way to start the day.